County, Washington, Pennsylvania, and the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Harrison, and Jefferson, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, and Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Belmont County and east central Ohio, southeastern Harrison County and east central Ohio, Jefferson, Ohio County and east central Ohio, northwestern Washington County and southwestern Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, until 12:45 p.m. At 11:54 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Tiltonsville, or 9 miles northwest of Clearview, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitten, Steubenville, Martins Ferry, St. Clairsville, Wellsburg, Clearview, Toronto, Wintersville, Mingo Junction, Follansbee, Hooverson Heights, Tiltonsville, New Cumberland, Yorkville, Smithfield, Adana, Franklin, Dillonvale, Beach Bottom, and Brilliant. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for portions of east central Ohio, southwest Pennsylvania, and the northern panhandle of West Virginia. Weather Bulletin. For the following county, Greene, Pennsylvania, and the following counties in West Virginia: Marion, Marshall, Monongalia, and Wetzel. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, western Marion County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, northwestern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, until 12:45 p.m. At 11:56 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Jacksonburg, or 16 miles southwest of Mannington, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waynesburg, Mannington, Pine Grove, Fairview, Hundred, Cassville, Jacksonburg, Rogersville, Granttown, Bobtown, Farmington, Aleppo, Blacksville, Smithfield, New Freeport, Spraggs, Nineveh, Mount Morris, Wadestown, and Wana. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for portions of southwest Pennsylvania and West Virginia. Weather Bulletin.